Everyone is recycling the same 5 AI side hustles. It's getting ridiculous. You know the ones. You've seen them a million times. They're saturated. They're tired. They don't work like they used to. But here's what's wild. There are 5 unconventional micro businesses sitting right there. And almost nobody talks about them yet. The old methods. Everyone fights for the same scraps. You're competing against millions of people doing the exact same thing. The new methods. Wide open space. You're early. You're different. Think about that. The real reason isn't that these are secret. It's that they're weird. They don't sound impressive at dinner parties. But they work. Actually, scratch that. They work incredibly well. And honestly, that's all that matters. Here's the data. We're looking at an all-time high in search volume, which means people are desperate for this. Maximum budget to start. Under $50. And it's perfect for faceless automation. Seriously. Let that sink in. Number 1. AI audio cleanup. People have terrible recordings. You fix them. Fast. Search demand has doubled in the past year alone. You charge per file. Pure margin. Number 2. You train custom bots for local shops. They have no idea how to do this. Wait. Actually, yes. It's that simple. The shops win. You win. And here's the best part. They will pay you monthly to maintain it. Recurring revenue. From a simple bot. Sound familiar? It should. It's exactly what you want. Number 3. AI-generated coloring books for very specific niches. Seriously. Weirdly profitable. Low-content books sell on autopilot once listed. Number 4. Newsletter generation for dead industries. Nobody wants to write them. AI does it instantly. You charge a premium. Think about that. Number 5. Mock-up generation for product designers. You feed the AI a prompt. You deliver the image. Boom. Done. Why did the AI side hustler cross the road? To optimize the chicken's route. Yeah, I know. I'll see myself out. Look, subscribe. Next up, I'm breaking down exactly how I automated my entire income using just 2 weird tools.